8:30 a.m. in the tunnel between Grand Central Terminal and the Port Authority. Why is that man in the mosaic blowing the horn? He's a New Year's reveler. And all along this tunnel, there's these cool mosaics. Of people heading to the Times Square festivities, which is not what's happening today. Liking the video in the tunnel because we're not supposed to be using this. And I'm liking the mosaic because we're rescue workers in New York City. These are our streets and we're gonna serve them. Down this ramp, we're gonna jump on the 7 train and save some lives.